Hello everybody, today in this quick video tutorial I'll directly get to the point that how you can save the videos or reels from Instagram. Now this method works for both reels and the videos as well. So for doing so, you first of all have to open up the Instagram app, and after that go to the video that you want to save. For example, let me go to the explore page and find a video from here. For example, this is the video I want to save. You have to tap on the three dots available in the bottom right corner of the screen if it is a reel, and if this is not a reel and a particular video like this one here, you have to tap on the three dots available in the top right corner of the screen. So tap on three dots, and here the second option you get in this list is link. So tap on link, and if you don't get the link option, then the post may be coming from a private account. I'm not sure, but I don't think that the private account has also the option of link, but most probably you'll get the option to copy the link from almost every video around there. So after copying the link, go back and open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and open up your Play Store if you are using Android. So after opening your Play Store or App Store, type in here repost for Instagram and hit search. And when these apps appear up, scroll down, and here this app with two arrows with blue background and white foreground, this is the app that you have to install. Tap on it, and after that press get, and if you are on Android, you will see the option to install the app from here. Tap the open button here and open the app after installing. Now as I have copied the link from Instagram, so I am going to allow paste. Press the cross button here. Now you can see this video is loading, and here we can see the video from this person here. And if I tap on this video, you can tap on repost. Allow access to photos, okay. After you have pressed the repost button, the video will automatically be saved in your photos, and you can directly repost this video to Instagram as well. I chose to post it in my story, but you can also repost it to your feed as well. So now let's see that where has our video been saved in our photos. You can see it here. It's been saved. So that's how you save videos from Instagram to your gallery. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments, and also tell me in the comments that which was the video that you have saved in your gallery from Instagram. I provide the quick solutions just like this regarding social media, so consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.